everybody, what's up? Welcome back to the channel that is yet to be named. I'm probably gonna come up with something clever, cheeky, probably like Black Thumb Gardening, because you know I got two of them. Brown Thumb was just two on the nose. Anyway, alright, so yesterday I tried to film a video with my other camera making me some soil so I can plant this corn for my wife. Problem is that camera lost all the footage that I did, so it didn't matter. You guys didn't miss much. It was mostly me taking a coconut core brick, putting it in water and watching it expand, only for it to not expand. So yeah, 35 minutes of epic expand action. Anyway, today we're gonna take this Homer bucket and we're gonna use the GroBucket system that I teased at about a year and a half ago back in Erie, but I couldn't use it at the time. But now I'm in Texas. So long story short, lately I've been having not one black thumb but two black thumbs. I've been killing everything that I've set out to plant. Even the arrow garden is, for some reason, only half the sponge is actually getting wet, which is weird because I filled it up to the max line and only the bottom half of the sponges are actually getting wet, which is ridiculous to me, but whatever. They said they're guaranteed to sprout in 4 days, so this is day 3. So hopefully tomorrow I see signs of life. If not, you know, I'm gonna have to talk with somebody's manager. Okay. Alright, so as you can see here, I've already had my corn seeds already soaking overnight for 8 hours, and then I just gave it an additional hour after I changed the water, rinsed it off with some cool water, because that's what the internet say. So anyway, I'm back with a PVC pipe that you need. It says made in America. Outstanding. The GroBucket part itself, which is not really the bucket but more like the insert that you put inside of the bucket. You drill with some kind of small drill bit on the top. You don't need a very big hole. What you're gonna do is you're gonna drill in the side of the bucket that you actually plan on destroying with this right here and this bucket right here. Like I said, it's really dummy proof. Take this and you're gonna put it inside here. So as you can see, you can probably see the imprint of the black part from the bucket, the GroBucket actual insert right there. Make sure that it's completely flush on the bottom, and somewhere around here you want to actually drill your hole, preferably somewhere closer to the top. Let's get drilling. Okay, so as we can see here, the hole is there. So we're going to take this cool soilless mix that I made yesterday and we're going to transplant it. So I'm gonna wet it first, because what's the worst that could happen? I actually got a question about that a couple days ago. Yes, my seeds did die in that other system. I overwatered it way too much. The mix looks like like this. It's not dripping or anything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pat that down on the top. These wicking slits inside of it. I'm gonna take my brownie mix, potting mix, and I'm gonna pack it down on the sides first, not on the slits, because I wanted to have a pretty good seal down there. And I think that's gonna be important, because just like the other rolling one, the City Pickers one, you need to have a pretty good seal so that everything lines up so it'll wick well. Once again, like I said, we're just packing down the sides. Once you get the sides patted down, you can start working on that wicking part at the top. As you can see here, I'm filling up the sides. Okay, here's me once again. I don't see very many GroBucket videos, so not saying it didn't sell, because it really did. Like, that thing was funded really quickly. But, I don't know. I don't think hard to find the videos on stuff that you really want to see unless you make them yourself. So here I am, and I'm making sure that it's level in there. I don't know if that's a requirement or a guideline, but to me it just makes sense. And then I'm gonna lightly mist the top once I get everything in there that I need, because I'm really trying hard not to kill any more stuff. Okay, so I have it now. This is not planted yet, but like I said, I'm going to mist the top, and then we're gonna wait for the water. See? Flablam. How you like me now? Shazam. That might be a pretty cool movie. There's an iconic scene in it where he jumps off of a building, gets struck in the chest by lightning. That's cool, right? This one shoots really fast. I'm gonna put it on jet mode, and we're gonna fill the water bucket from the bottom. And I'm gonna turn this towards you so you can see when it gets full, it's gonna pee it right back out. I'd say we're pretty good. So we know we've got more than enough water right in here, because we're at green, like I said. If you're green, you're keen. If you're red, you're dead. So you see my hand, boom, my finger. So I'm on top of the bucket right now, and I've got these corn seeds in my hand. I've only got 6. So I'm gonna poke 6 holes in a circle. I just want to see what happens. Okay, hopefully they don't choke each other out for supremacy. All right. Anyway, you guys want to see more of this video, more of 2 black thumbs trying to plant something that requires at least 1 green thumb, then, you know, hit me in the comment section below. Comment, share, subscribe, tell your friends. Maybe this video will help somebody grow something. Chilly out here, so I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.